These fish are not afraid of people, and there's actually a surprising reason why. You see, in areas where sea urchin farmers or divers regularly harvest, these fish have learned something very valuable. Every time the divers come down, they don't just collect sea urchins, they also crack a few open right there underwater. And for the fish, that's basically a free buffet. Sea urchins are hard to break open, so most fish can't easily eat them on their own. But when divers split them open, it exposes the soft, nutritious insides. Over time, the fish start to associate humans with food instead of danger. That's why, instead of swimming away, they actually come closer, waiting patiently. It's like they know food is about to drop. So what looks like fearless behavior is really just smart survival. These fish aren't brave, they're just used to getting fed.